This is today's shirt. Introduce yourself to your sisters. It's a model that I've put a vertical button on. Lie pregnant. Then this hand will be a wide armpit. And below, I will. It's also wide for the part. These hands and neck will be the legs of the shirt. And the material here, my sisters will paint. Oh, and cut above the material. Wool fabric is very cool and cool to wear. And in order to make this model, we need to be prepared. The measurement. Shoulder horizontal measurement, neck measurement, bust measurement, waist measurement, buttocks measurement, and waist length. These numbers will vary. According to each person's body, it will correspond to the size SL, M, XL. My sisters will measure and we apply the shared formula right after. Because this is a pattern that has a seam. Is button on the front of the chest. That's why I'm going to do the part. Body. Put it here. You'll line the knotted line. And then I started folding. For the part at the bottom here, back up is a fraction. Then you will arrange it. And then we'll start wearing long shirts. Long shirt here, this one will be butt length. So the length of the shirt here I took is 60 centimeters long. Make a perpendicular line. And we calculate from this midpoint. You put it on your shoulders. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. I took 16. Down to 4 gasoline. If you take her, divide the year 30 divided by 5 to 7. The 6 I took was 6. Connect this point in. And you'll lower your breasts. Lower chest is with chest. Divide by 5 and add to 3. Because this is wide. My bust size is 80. If we divide 5 plus 3, we're equal to 19. You start measuring from above the horizontal point of the shoulder. It's 19 gasoline. I built a perpendicular line. And then I'll take the part. Chest level is equal to chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then I took the lower part. If I lower my waist here, I'll get 35. According to the measurement, make a perpendicular line. Now I'm going to take the waist level, which is the waist divided by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. I took a road that was 18. Then I'll take that. The hip is equal to the hip divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From here you will get 22. Then I'll connect the middle of the chest line, waist line and hip line. And from here I'll take out 10 petrol. You guys divide this into 3 parts. I connected to the first third. Divide this into 3 equal parts. I go to this corner for 5 glasses. And then I'm done turning this ruler out of a centimeter of gas. Here we will get the part of the lie gourd. And in this part, you're going to make a perpendicular line into 2 cubic meters of gasoline divided in half. Split in two. Then we'll get the body. And this neck you draw down is 6 gasoline. And I'm building a corner here. Then split it in half. Split in half again, and I split in half. Here's the front body of this shirt. After doing the previous body, I will put my shoulders up 2 petrol centimeter. Build a perpendicular line. This part you will drop into a gasoline. We will take this part and you will put this part in. If you go down to, we will the back body. This is the Arabic part. I painted the body before and after. Now, you will let the part. The line of the back body is 1 inch smaller than the front body. It's the same up below. And we'll cut the road. Behind is the red line. Here we're going to draw this line along the red line. And then I'm going to cross the section. Let's cut the cross. The first half, the second half is the same. Like this. You will get the body first. It's this body. With the sister multiplied by 2, then we'll cut the body first. Follow the blue line. Then we'll get the previous body here. And then I'll have the back. Behind this sister multiplies for a cloth. This is a double fabric. Then we're going to reduce it like this is a millimeter of gasoline. You will get the back. And we'll get the front body here. And after I've done it, my sisters will take the long arm. This shirt is a long sleeve, and it's a mezzanine. So it's from down here. Go up and give yourself a long paragraph. The sleeve is 42 cubic meters of gasoline, and I have this road. From here, you measure it with your chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. I took down 13 centimeters here. Then the armpit part, you have to measure. Armpit ring measurement. I took this part. This line armpits here my body before is 21. The next guy measured 22. Then you will take 21 plus 22 is equal to 43 divided by 2. 2 dots of 5. 2.5 here. Then split it in half. Then I'll get the armpit line. And here we're going to put a perpendicular line down. Today you are up for 1. Here we will get the sleeve. And this shirt down here, you're going to write for this hand. Now I'm going to cut the Arabic sleeve. This hand. After you've done it, I'm going to open this hand. I will cut down 1 centimeter for the lower part of the tree. If this hand is cut off, it will be the first hand. This hand will be the back. In this case, you cut 2. And this part you will draw the seed. Then we'll get the model. And the last thing we're going to do is for the collar. And to draw the collar, my sisters will measure for the part. A necklace on the body. Today I measured the back necklace. I measured it as 10. The front necklace. The measurement is 10. Before and after we measure 10. Then you'll stack it in half with the paper. Then we'll take 10 plus 10. Let's say 10 is equal 20. Then you will divide this 20 by 2 so it's a necklace. Then it's going to be equal to 10 from here. "20 is not divided by 2, ladies. I took out 20. I forgot to come up here and split the 2. And I'm going to bend this part of the neck. After that, you can beat it. I'll connect this point. Here it is. And from here, you're down to 2.5 inches. And we're going to go back to a square. Here, we'll get the leg of the neck of this shirt. Then after you done, when it's done, I'll look again. This is the neck. You'll assemble it into the body. So this is it. I put it in here. Then we are redundant. Then we'll assemble the next towel. Ha! Then this part is left over, and we'll put it back together. You will get the part. Slice the same as the pattern. And this is the back body when you put the rib in. So we put the ribs together and we put the neck together. It's going to be joined together. It's going to be apart. Ancient leaves like this. I wish my sisters success. Thank you for watching and remember to like the channel. Thank you. Hi. See you later.